So Dan, why do I need to deep clean my tank?
Well, the tank's working very hard. You're using this tank every day, numerous times a day for all your teas, coffees, cooking, etc. And there's a lot of water going through. So to maintain the tank, you need to do the deep clean once a year just to support the work the filters are doing.
So once a year, that's nothing really when you think about what a hard working appliance this actually is. And you do this yourself, you don't have an engineer call out once a year?
Correct, you don't need an engineer to do this.
Okay.
So it's part of the annual maintenance and you can combine it with the filter change, so no engineer costs are associated with this.
Okay, so you could change your cartridge at the same time as as cleaning the water tank. And this solution here, it reminds me a little bit, you know when you clean your dishwasher out and you put the solution in your dishwasher, and the same with your washing machine, it gets rid of all the deposits and things that the nasties that don't want to be there really to hinder the performance of the appliance.
Yeah, so we're used to that with these other appliances. It's just the same logic. They need looking after. There's thousands and thousands of litres going through this a year, all with high temperature. So it just needs a little bit of maintenance to keep everything running smoothly.
Yeah.
The deep clean solution is sold as part of a bundle with the filter, so you just place your order for that.
Okay.
And you'll get this through. We've got an instructional video to help you go through the process of changing over the filter.
If it's a once a year process, is it expensive then?
No, the deep clean solution is under £10.
Oh wow! Okay, so that wasn't what I was expecting to hear actually. Once a year, I thought it might be quite a big job, but clearly you do it yourself and it's cheap.
That's right. I mean, in some cases, you might have heard of instances where an engineer needs to come out annually and do this deep clean.
Absolutely.
You're talking a lot of money and also bookings and appointments and that kind of thing. This is just something you do yourself as part of the routine maintenance.
That was the one thing that when I was looking at buying my kettle tap, it was in the back of my mind. Am I now dependent on engineers coming to my house, expensive call-outs, long wait times? But if you've got the bottle at home, you're in control. Once a year, you do that and you're taking care of it yourself.
Exactly, and that keeps the tank running to its optimum. And also, we need to keep the maintenance of the warranty in place, and the deep clean does that for you.
Okay, and where would I buy this? From the same place with the cartridges, obviously, so you just buy it all as a bundle from your own website, kettle.com or Amazon?
Yeah, we'll have the product listed on our own site, Amazon and eBay. As I say, it'll be as a bundle. You can also buy it separately if you needed to. So yeah, we'll post it straight out to you.
Lovely, sounds perfect.
Yeah.